To set up a FortiGate High Availability (HA) active passive cluster, ensure both firewalls run the exact same FortiOS version and model. Go to Dashboard and System Information tab, check Active Passive Cluster, ensure both firewalls match in model, firmware version, and license. Go to Network, then Interfaces for checking physical ports connected between two firewalls. This interface carries only HA control traffic and is not used for firewall policies or routing. Go to System, then HA. In this lab, the active passive mode, by far the most commonly deployed FortiGate High Availability model in real-world environments, is configured. In an active passive cluster, only one FortiGate operates in the primary, active, role and processes all traffic, while the other unit remains in the secondary, passive, role. Configure the main settings, mode as active passive, then device priority, 150, higher number wins primary election. Group ID is 10 must match on both, group name set must match on both. Password, enter a secure cluster password. Heartbeat interfaces, select dedicated ports like HA1 and HA2, in this lab used physical ports like port 23/port 24. Set heartbeat interface priority or leave the remaining settings as their default values. Click OK. Firewall 1 side HA configuration done. Now Firewall 2 and need to repeat steps configuration. Log in Firewall 2, check all system configuration like firmware version, interface and other same to same. In this lab used physical ports like port 23/port 24 as like Firewall 1. Go to System, then HA on the secondary unit. Set mode active passive, then enter the exact same group ID, group name, password, and heartbeat interfaces used on the primary unit. Set a lower device priority, example 120, to ensure it remains the passive/secondary unit. Click OK. The secondary unit will take the settings from the primary unit and reboot into a clustered state. Go to Primary Firewall, check the status of HA. From Primary Firewall, confirm that both units are visible, roles are assigned correctly, primary/secondary. Secondary Firewall reboot running. Once complete, reboot will show on cluster, it's take 5 to 10 minutes. Confirm that both units are visible, roles are assigned correctly, primary/secondary, and synchronization is functional.